Culture Radio. Connect, learn, and share. Medphone Cambodian League is back. Bongket shocks Phnom Penh Crown at RSN Stadium.
Koulibaly កັບបាត់មួយ Koulibaly សឹកមួយជើងទៀតចូលគ្រាប់បាល់ទី 2 សម្រាប់ក្រុម Krivong Sok Sanchai.
Koulibaly hat-trick gives Krivong an opening start. Visaka held to goalless draw by Sotilo Angkor. Yeah, the Medphone Cambodian League is back and fans are enjoying the time and moments across the various venues as 7 games were played in the first weekend of the game over Saturday and Sunday. The opening game, EBC FC suffered a shocking 1-0 defeat in the hands of new entrants Kampucham Province. And over at Krivong in Takao, Krivong Sok Sanchai defeated Bati Academy by 4 goals to 1. And in the big match, which will be regarded as the Cambodian version of El Clasico, Bongket FC made their visiting trip to RSN Stadium against host Phnom Penh Crown. And it ended with 5 goals, but unfortunately, it wasn't the kind of game coach Leonardo was expecting. Paulo Victor introduced himself to the Cambodian League with a fabulous long-range strike to give Phnom Penh Crown an early lead. Yu Sati's own goal off Benga Ajayi's cross level score for Bongket just before the break. Karasokoska Angels' brilliant strike gave the visitor an important lead. And then Lee Mizan's low shot was deflected in by Rim Sen to make it 3-1 for Bongket. Dalan Martin's header was only enough to give the hosts some breather, but it ended 3-2 in favor of the visitors. It certainly wasn't the start coach Leonardo was expecting following his return to Cambodia after departing from the national team job in 2018. On Sunday, it was the turn of the champions to visit the AU Park, and they met a very stubborn and hard-fighting AU, only to defeat them by a lone goal later in that game. In other games, Visaka Football Club were held to their goalless draw by visiting Sotilo Angkor from Siem Reap. And in Faraway's variant, the National Police suffered a 2-0 defeat in the hands of Prikaris variant. And the match in Army Stadium, the old stadium, was a big one between Angkor Tiger and host Army, and it ended 1-1. Angkor Tiger took the lead as early as in the 9th minute before Army fought back in the 96th minute to draw level. And that leaves Krivong Sok Sanchai top of the table after week 1 with Prikaris Variant in 2nd place, Bongket are in 3rd, Kampucham 4th, Nagawad 5th, all 5 teams with their first win of the season. And at the bottom of the table, of course, is Bati Academy after they suffered a 4-1 loss in the hands of Krivong Sok Sanchai. Well, it's still early days, and we expect that the teams at the bottom may as well come over to the top if they put their acts on in subsequent matches. That's all we got time for on the Medphone Cambodian League roundup for week 1. And don't forget to log on to www.24bcd.com and for more updates on the Medphone Cambodian League.
For your latest local and international sport updates, analysis and predictions, join Ken Gaddafi on Root Culture Radio.